To get started, set your rack to position 6 and set your oven to roast. The roast function is ideal for cooking a variety of vegetables and meats and ensures the food remains tender and juicy on the inside with a crispy outside. Selecting the roast function brings up a default temperature, which you can adjust to suit your cook. Press the Start/Stop button before placing the food in the oven. Once the backlight illuminates orange, the oven alert will ding and the LCD screen will show a blinking preheating message. After the preheat has finished, place your food in the Smart Oven Air Fryer XL. The Element IQ system will then direct more heat to the base of your oven to beautifully brown the underside of your food through the pan while also delivering more gentle heat to the top of your roast for a crisp skin, without burning or drying out. You can use the Convection button to choose between Super Convection, Convection, and No Convection. As you switch between the options, the set cooking temperature will adjust to compensate for the convection fan increasing cooking rates. A tip for roasting chickens whole is to insert them with legs sideways, with legs pointing to the left or to the right, with the breast facing up and the tray centered. To accommodate various sized chicken or other meat types, the wire rack can be flipped to slightly raise or lower the roast in the oven. You can also use the Rotate Remind feature to remind you when to spin the roasting tray for an even cooking result. If you want crispier results, use the Super Convection setting for the last couple of minutes of cooking. At the end of the timer, if you'd like to adjust the doneness or crisp the top a little more, you can press the A Bit More button to add more roast time. Chicken roast has never looked so good.